Hello everyone. Students, in before class we have discussed all the examples and today we are going to discuss exercise 19b. Okay? So students, open your book chapter 19:7 and see question number 1. Given that tan theta equal to 5 by 12 and angle theta is an acute angle, find sin theta and cos theta. So what is given, students? Tan theta equal to 5 by 12 and theta is an acute angle. That means you can draw the figure as like this. Theta is our acute angle. Okay. So name the triangle. That will be A is our acute angle, B and C is our right angle. Okay. Now, what you have to find out? You have to find out the sin theta, the value of sin theta and cos theta. Okay. So, students, here tan theta equal to 5 by 12. That means opposite by adjacent. Remember the term SOHCAHTOA, SOH, CAH and TOA. Okay. The term TOA is for tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. That's what I have written here. Opposite by adjacent equal to 5 by 12. Now students, we got two sides of this triangle. Here BC is 5 and AC is 12 because the adjacent of angle theta is AC, that is 12, and the opposite of angle theta is BC, that is 5. Okay. So we got tan theta equal to 5 by 12 and AC BC we got. Now what you have to find out? You have to find out the value of AB, the hypotenuse. Okay. So just apply here the Pythagoras theorem, that is hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Okay. So AB is our hypotenuse, AB square equal to BC square plus AC square. Okay. Therefore AB square will be 5 square plus 12 square. 5 square it means 25 and 12 square it means 144. It will become 169. So AB square equal to 169, but we need the value of AB. Okay. So AB will be root over of 169. Therefore AB equal to 13 centimeter. Okay. This one is our 13. Okay. Now you can get the value of sin theta and cos theta easily. Remember the term SOHCAHTOA, SOH, CAH and TOA. Okay. So out of this, sin theta will be opposite by hypotenuse. Okay. That's what I have written here, opposite by hypotenuse. And what is the opposite here? BC. BC and hypotenuse is AB. BC by AB, that is 5 by 13. Okay. Same as like that. CAH for cos theta equal to adjacent per hypotenuse, that is 12 by 13. Okay. That's what the answer we got. Sin theta equal to 5 by 13, cos theta equal to 12 by 13. So students, like this question is coming means first you have to draw the figure, then after you have to find out the rest of the side of the triangle, then after you have to find out the trigonometrical ratio. Okay. Now let's go to number 2. Just see, if sin theta equal to 3 by 5 and theta is an acute angle, find cos theta and tan theta. Exactly like question number 1, you have to solve question number 2. And question number 3, we'll discuss one number. Rest of the number you have to do it yourself. Okay. So I have done one number here. Number 1. In triangle ABC, right angle at angle A. That means ABC triangle you have to take and the right angle at where you have to take? At angle A. And what you have to find out? Tan theta, sin theta and cos theta. Here the angles B and C is given. That means tan B and tan C, sin B and sin C, cos B and cos C you have to find out. Okay. So let us do number 1. AB equal to 7 centimeter, AC equal to 24 centimeter. As in the question it given, at angle A will be the right angle. So this is one our right angle. Okay. Now you have to find out the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse will be BC square equal to AB square plus AC square, that is 7 square plus 24 square It is 49 plus 576, 625. So BC square equal to 625. So what will be the value of BC? BC will be root of 625, that is 25 centimeter. This is our 25 centimeter. Okay. Now what you have to find out? Tan B, tan C, sin B, sin C, and cos B, cos C. Okay. So tan B, it is opposite by adjacent. Okay. So of angle B, what is the opposite? AC. AC by the adjacent will be AB. AC by AB, that is 24 by 7. And tan C is opposite by adjacent. Now which angle is known? C angle is known. Tan C, opposite of angle C is AB and adjacent is AC. AB by AC, that is 7 by 24. Okay. Same as like that, sin B, it is opposite by hypotenuse. Sin B, the opposite is 24 and the hypotenuse is BC. Okay. BC we got 25, so it is 24 by 25. Same as like that, sin C will be opposite by hypotenuse, that means 7 by 25. Okay. So cos B equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent of angle B? Obviously it is AB. Okay, AB by BC. So you will get 7 by 25. Same as like that, cos C adjacent by hypotenuse, that is cos C adjacent by hypotenuse, it is AC by BC. So you will get 24 by 25. Okay, like this. Question number 2 also you can solve it yourself. Now let us discuss question number 4. In triangle PQR is right angle at angle R. At angle R, it will be a right angle. Okay. Find tan, sin, cos of angle P and angle Q. Same as like that, question number 3 you have to solve. Separately I have found it here. You can see according to the figure. Okay. First, if you are taking angle P, what will be the opposite? QR will be the opposite. If you are taking angle Q, PR will be the opposite. Okay, like this you have to take, and first of all you have to find out the value of what? The third side of the triangle. Okay, two sides are given in the question, the third side of the triangle you have to find out. Okay, so PQ and QR is given, that means PQ and QR is given. You have to find out the base. Okay, that will be subtract from the hypotenuse to perpendicular, you will get 36. PR will be root 36, that is equal to 6 centimeter. Now you got 8 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 6 centimeters. Three sides, the value of the length of three sides you got. Now easily you can find out all the trigonometrical ratios. Okay. So question number 4, just finish it. And question number 5. For any angle theta, state the value of sin square theta and cos square theta. So students, as you know, sin square theta plus cos square theta, the value is 1. From what you got? From the Pythagoras theorem, you know it. Hypotenuse square equal to adjacent square plus opposite square. Okay, and if you will divide it with hypotenuse in right hand side and left hand side, hypotenuse square, you will get sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So for any angle theta, the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Now let's go to question number 6. The diagonals AC, BD of a rhombus ABCD meet at point O. If AC equal to 6 and BD equal to 8, find sin OCD. Okay. So students, two figure you can see it here. You can draw the figure like this or like this. Okay. Where all the sides will be equal. Okay. And diagonals will be intersect each other. So See the diagonal AC and BD of the rhombus, and AC equal to 6 and BD equal to 8. Therefore, OA equal to OC equal to 3 centimeter and OB equal to OD equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, because it will bisect each other at right angle. Okay, now what you have to find out? You have to find out sine OCD. Now students, just see the triangle OCD. Okay, this is our triangle OCD. Here this one is our right angle. Okay, so in this triangle OCD triangle, you have to find out sine angle OCD. That means this angle is known, this angle is 90 degree. Okay, and two sides you know, this one is 4 centimeter and this one is 3 centimeter, and this one will be our hypotenuse, because the opposite side to the angle 90 degree is known as our hypotenuse. So CD is our hypotenuse. CD square equal to OD square plus OC square. Okay, you can take it by Pythagoras theorem. So CD square will be 4 square plus 3 square. 4 square it is 16 and 3 square it is 9. So 16 plus 9 it is 25. So CD square equal to 25 you got. What will be the value of CD? The value of CD will be 5. Okay, see it here. The value of CD is 5. Here we got CD equal to 5. Okay, now easily you can write the value of sine angle OCD. Sine angle OCD equal to the formula is opposite by hypotenuse, because according to the term SOHCAHTOA, SOH, sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, and in triangle OCD, what is the opposite of angle theta or this angle C? OD is the opposite. Okay, opposite per hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is CD. OD by CD, that is 4 by 5. Okay, so the answer is 4 by 5. See question number 7. If cos theta equal to 0.6, find the value of 5 sin theta minus 3 tan theta. And question number 8. In a right angle triangle, it is given that A is an acute angle and that tan A equal to 3 by 4. Without using the tables, find the value of cos A. So students, I hope question number 7 and 8 you can solve it yourself. Just try it up to question number 8 we have discussed. That's all for today, and in next video we'll discuss rest of the numbers of this exercise 19b. Okay, thank you.